Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Balbacua. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have red onions, red bell pepper, we have ginger, peanut butter, we got pork and beans, and we have here black beans, garlic, we got tomato sauce, plantain banana, salt and pepper, olive oil, soy sauce, fish sauce, and Sprite. So Balbacua is very famous in central Philippines, in the Visayas. So this is very famous in Cebu. So let's hit the stove. By the way, what we're gonna use is oxtail and short beef ribs. So we cook this already in the pressure cooker, and this is already tender. So we're gonna saute the ingredients, and let's proceed to cooking. In our hot pan here, let's put olive oil or vegetable oil, your choice. Okay. All right. Now let's put our ginger. Let's cook the ginger for a minute or so. Now we'll add our onions. Okay. Let's cook it for a minute. Now we add our garlic. There you go. Cook it for 30 seconds. Let's add a little of fish sauce. And soy sauce. All right. Now we'll put in the meat, the oxtail and beef short ribs. Okay. Let's put the bell pepper in, red bell pepper. And then we're gonna put the beef broth that we use in making the oxtail, tender in the pressure cooker. All right. We will put a little bit of, I should say, half cup of Sprite. Okay. All right. And then add black pepper. And we'll let this simmer for 3 or 4 minutes. Our balbacua is boiling now. It's simmering now. So this time we can add our tomato sauce. Okay. There you go. Give it a stir. There you go. And also our pork and beans. We're gonna add our pork and beans here. There you go. And let it simmer for the next 3 or 4 minutes. Let's cover it. Now let's check our balbacua. All right, smells really good. Wow. Now this time we can add our peanut butter. Okay. Oh, this will taste real good with the peanut butter. All right. Okay. And also we can add our black bean. All right. So give it have it simmer for the next 3 more minutes, and we're gonna taste it. Cover it for now. Now we'll check our balbacua. There you go. Wow, looks yummy. All right, now it's time to put our plantain or saging na saba. All right, 2 more minutes and this is done. Here's our finished product, balbacua. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.